Good morning to all. I am Sonia, CA Finance student. Today I am presenting my topic Service Tax a Voluntary Compliance Encouragement Scheme for National Convention 2013. Service tax plays a leading role for developing Indian economy. It contributes more than 50% of India's GDP. Service tax is a major source of revenue for central government. The government has expanded the area of taxation to bring it in line with best international practices. In 2012, it took important initiative by introducing negative list of services to facilitate wide coverage together with simpler procedural regime. The service tax has evolved over the years, keeping in mind pattern growth of various services. Perhaps it is true to say that with the expansion of service tax, certain interpretational issues have arisen. In order to bring it in new area within ambit, the taxation of services, central government has introduced Voluntary Compliance Encouragement Scheme. The scheme has implemented with effect from 10th May 2013. The scheme is designed to promote non-adversarial relationship between the government and the industry and the trade. The scheme provides a window opportunity to the industry to pay all his tax dues and avoid unnecessary litigation in future. The scheme provides a golden opportunity to pay all the tax dues from the period covered from 1st October 2007 to 31st December 2012 without any interest, penalty and other legal proceeding without any prosecution. Apply as or on before 31st December 2013. Now, what is VCS? VCS is a new amnesty scheme introduced via Chapter 6 of Finance Act 2013 to encourage voluntary compliance by the defaulters of service tax of Chapter 5 of Finance Act 1994. The voluntary compliance and encouragement scheme is announced in order to self-motivate the defaulters of service tax to pay all the tax dues which was not paid in the past. We have seen voluntary compliance scheme. Now we should consider who are the person eligible to apply under the voluntary compliance scheme. Any person liable for registration but had not registered, any person who had not filed their return, any person who stopped filing their return, any person who had not made a true declaration in their return. Now, it is also important to learn the person who are not eligible for voluntary compliance scheme. Any person who had filed their return under Section 70 of Finance Act 1994 and made a true declaration but had not paid the service tax whether totally or partly. Any person against whom an inquiry and investigation of service tax not levied, not paid, short levied and short paid has been initiated by issuing of summons, by search of premises, by requiring production of documents and by audit initiative. An inquiry, investigation and audit should be pending as on 1st March 2013. Well, no doubt VCS is criticized being discriminative, only helping to dishonest assessing. But on the other hand, it also helps to businessmen because businessmen can pay all the tax dues without interest and penalty. By adopting the scheme, he can run his business with more transparency in future. Finance Minister under the scheme had said that we had received 12,000 applications till now and we collect rupees 2,000 crore and we are expecting near about rupees 3,000 crore under the scheme. Indirectly, it also helps to honest taxpayer because the government tax collection target is achieved and it may possible government may not increase tax rates in future. Thank you.